If you want to connect your LEGO account to Epic Games, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. This is super useful if you want your accounts linked for games, rewards, or just to keep everything connected in one place. And before we get started, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Epic Games and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner and click on your display name. A menu will appear, and from there select Account. This will take you to your Epic Games account settings, where you can manage all of your connected profiles and services. Now that you're in the account settings, look for the section called Linked Accounts. This is where Epic Games keeps all of the services and platforms you can connect to your account. Go ahead and open that section so you can see the available options. Next, scroll down until you find the LEGO account option. Once you see it, click Connect. This will start the linking process between your Epic Games account and your LEGO account. It's important to make sure you're choosing the correct LEGO option before continuing. After clicking Connect, a new window should appear. This window is asking you to authorize the connection. Go ahead and click Connect Account to confirm that you want to link the two accounts together. If you're not already signed into your LEGO account, you may be prompted to log in first, so just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've confirmed the connection, give it a moment to complete the process. After a few seconds, your LEGO account should now be linked to Epic Games successfully. At this point, you can close the window and return to your account settings to verify that the connection is active. And that's it. You've now connected your LEGO account to Epic Games. It only takes a minute, but it can make it much easier to manage your account connections moving forward. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.